Hello, my name is Sophia, and this is a project I have to do for my Excel VBA class. Basically, what I did was I designed a program that could calculate the charge and current equations for RC and LRC circuits using just the variables. I derived the equations using the differential equations are standard, and then I wrote a thing to input the variables. I apologize in advance for the poor quality of this video, not in the poor quality of the program, but in the fact that I don't have a mic for my computer, so instead of just recording the screen, I had to borrow a friend's camera. So alright, let's say we run the program, and I'll explain to you how it works. So first you can click the button Choose Circuit Coefficients, and you have the two types of circuits, RC and LRC. Let's say we want to do the LRC because there's just more stuff in there. And you can, new things appeared that weren't in the other, like angular frequency and inductance. For RC it just shows voltage, resistance, and capacitance. So we can input, say, we want to have an angular frequency of 1.5 and a voltage of 50, inductance of 1, resistance of, say, 45, and capacitance of 2 farads. Okay, so if you just want to see the numbers, just want to kind of look at them, you can just click accept, and it won't input anything into the worksheet. It'll just show you a little message box. Let's say we're satisfied with it, so we click save. It puts the data into these columns over here. And over here it calculates coefficients for the differential equation, because LRC circuits are given in the charge is given in the equation Q equals A cosine omega t plus B sine omega t. So it calculates them over here. I have the little equation. Yeah. So let's say we want to run the thingy and the program, change the time, and see what the graphs are for these equations. So we can say, you can choose the final time, which we'll say it's going to have a final time of, say, 3. Use the little scroll bar over here. And then use a time step of, say, 0.26. So also by 0.2. So yeah, so then we can click run change time, and it'll change the data over here and hide all the graphs so you can see. It ends, since 0.26 doesn't go evenly into 3, it goes a little over 3, but you can see it calculates the charge and the current for the LRC circuit. And since we're doing an LRC circuit, not an RC circuit, you can click show the LRC circuit graphs and see. Well, you probably can't see, but we have a nice sinusoidal wave for both the charge and the current. This keeps on going up and down forever. That's what you do with inductors. Another thing this does is it uses a function instead of a subroutine. If you want to calculate the period, just hit calculate period over here, and it gives you the period of the LRC circuit. The only problem with this program really is that unless all the graphs are visible, it doesn't run. So see, right now we have only the LRC circuits visible. So if you click run change time, it says you get an error. So you can just get around that though by I wrote a little note, you have to have all graphs visible, so you have to hit the button show all graphs, and then you can run the change time. And, well, that's basically how it works, and sorry if you can't see anything, but yeah, it's a pretty awesome program.